Hi guys, my name is Lucy and welcome to my channel, Lucy Jones Frontier. Today we are making carrot chapati and fresh beans, as you can see. And these are beans that I've not tried. Currently, as you can see in the video, I'm removing the pods so that now we can start cooking. This is our ingredients: flour, carrots, water, oil for mixing, and a mixing bowl, of course, for pounding of the dough. So the first thing is you need to peel the carrots. As you can see in the background, that's my niece. Her name is Nancy. On this day, Nancy was my co-chef, i.e. aka co-pilot. Our carrot is ready, already grated, as you can see. For every, this is how I actually measure while making chapatis. For every 2 kgs, I do 1 full tablespoon of salt. I want you to pick in on the measurements because this is what works for me. For every 2 kgs of wheat flour, I do 250 ml of oil. Since I don't have a calibrated jar, I estimate with a tumbler, because you already know this is they use the big tumblers and they are 500 ml. So for every 2 kgs of wheat flour, I do between 1 liter to 1.1 liters of water. That is warm water. So also from your side, you can try this. Estimate with anything that you can approximate the measurements. Then now add your flour, as you can see, and then from there you can now knead your flour, and you have to knead properly. Add a little oil on your hands to remove any dough that is attaching on your hands, so that the dough can be completely done. For the stew, we used onions, potatoes, tomatoes, dania, and some carrots. This is the outcome of the peeling and the chopping. Put some frying oil into a sufuria, ready for frying. When it's hot, add some onions, the one that you have diced, and fry. Sometimes I add some chili so that it can bring some twist in the taste and color. Yay! Our dough is very ready and so soft, ready for making chapatis. It's time now to spread the dough. Spread it as far as you can, so that now you can use a knife to cut into the desired pieces. After spreading, use more oil to apply on the spread dough. This is what gives us the layers that most people really love in chapatis. So you have to put adequate oil, spread it on the sheet so that we can get as many layers as possible. So those who work with the target outcome of the number of chapatis you want, divide your dough into equal sections so that each section you are sure it should give you this number of chapatis. This is supposed to help with the plan. Then now you can see I'm dividing each section into the number of chapatis that I have targeted per section. Like my plan was to get 24 chapatis. So each section should now give me should give me 6 chapatis, 6 rolls. Roll your dough nicely. Our onions have turned to golden brown. Now it's time to add the potatoes and leave the potatoes to cook. You need to add some little water so that they don't burn, so that we get enough time to fry. You also should add carrots, diced carrots at this stage, and make sure you stir so you don't get to see your food burning. Once our potatoes are half cooked, add some salt and the diced tomatoes, as you can see in the picture. Our chapati dough is rolled and ready to cook. Stir the stew so that tomatoes don't cause this to burn. Now we go to our chapatis. Roll, this is how I recommend. Roll the piece of dough in a circular manner so that you get a chapati with fine edge. As you can see, I am demonstrating. Yeah, you can see it's evenly spreading into a circular piece of dough. Make sure that your chapatis are uniform. At this moment, our pan is currently heating in a jiko. Our dough is rolled and ready for cooking. Our potatoes and tomatoes are ready, and now it's time to add the beans, but not until we first stir, so that in case there was burning, to prevent that. So you can see we are adding beans that we had previously boiled, and stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. Now our stew is almost ready. We have added some curry powder for taste and flavor. Place your rolled chapati dough on a hot frying or saucepan or chapati pan and start cooking as you turn. There are two ways you can cook as you fry, or you can first set aside so that you can be putting oil in batches. For me, I chose the latter. I set aside. The stew is 99% ready, so we added some dhania for garnishing. Start spreading oil evenly on all the chapatis. I decided to do in batches of 4 so that we can make our work more easier. I don't know which is more easier, but this to me felt like it's more easier, so that you finish with the cooking first and now you can fry afterwards. As you can see, our chapatis are so soft and yummy. So I also love her presentation. As you can see, I'm dividing them into quarters so that they look good while they are plated. we are traveling to Malindi. This is Nairobi, so please check on the other videos on how we toured Malindi. Our food is ready and it looks yummy. We ate and packed some to eat along the way to Malindi for our Christmas holiday. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.